One question I get asked all the time, and something that there's a lot of misconception about, is exactly how much money is needed for a down payment. Stay tuned and we're going to cover that topic in just a moment. But before we begin, I'd like to draw your attention to a link on my blog. If you have any follow-up questions or you have any additional topic ideas, please click on that link, leave your information, and myself or someone on my team will reach out to you right away. So the two major loan programs that the majority of buyers use in the local marketplace to purchase a new home are FHA and conventional, or conforming is another way of saying it. The minimum down payment with an FHA loan is 3.5%. So on a $200,000 home purchase, that equals $7,000 for the down payment. On a conforming loan or a conventional loan, the minimum down payment is 5% and can be as low as 3% if some additional criteria are met. So that's going to be anywhere between $6,000 and $10,000 on a $200,000 purchase. Besides the down payment, there's also closing costs. The closing costs, both programs, FHA and conventional, both allow something called seller's assist, where the seller can offer a credit to the buyer to offset all or some of those additional closing costs. So I think that's a great follow-up blog conversation that we can have, just dealing with seller's assist, because it's used on quite a few, if not the majority of home purchases, but it's something that's not really generally well understood by most home buyers. Additionally, I've heard a lot of people think that or say that if you don't have 20% down, you can't buy a home, or that you're going to have mortgage insurance and that's going to be a waste, or it's going to be prohibitively expensive. Actually, mortgage insurance, there's many different ways that you can deal with it. You can build it into the rate, and you can pay a slightly higher interest rate over the life of the loan without any mortgage insurance. You can pay a lump sum up front all at once, or you can pay monthly mortgage insurance that'll go away once you have a certain amount of equity in the property. That also, I think, is a really good follow-up conversation, a follow-up blog that we can have to kind of deal with the various types of mortgage insurance and how you can use it to, meet your needs when buying a home. But I think the main thing here is that whether it's 3% on a conventional loan or 3.5% on an FHA loan, that it really doesn't take nearly as much money as many people think to be able to buy a home in today's market. So with that, if you have any follow-up questions or you want to discuss this with myself or anyone in my office, please click the contact link on our blog or call our office and we'll be happy to discuss this further.